Hey everybody, Kevin here at Rich and Sons. Today is Walkthrough Wednesday. We have a beautiful 2020 Cougar 31 MBS. Let's take a look, check it out. This is a sweet little unit. Nice cargo storage, access both sides. We have twin power LED awnings on this unit. Of course, outside speakers. Let's go check out the inside. You're going to like the floor plan. We have lots of storage space here in the kitchen area, both above the counters as well as below. Nice twin stainless steel sink. Your pull down shower spray. We got a little spice rack here built in. I think that's pretty cool. Tons of storage above. Both the husband and wife are going to like that. Of course, your microwave oven, cooktop, 3-burner cooktop and stove. We have drawer storage as well as below for your pots and pans. Nice size refrigerator freezer. Plenty of bacon storage up here in the top. Nice large pantry. All the room that you need for all the goodies for the weekend. Nice comfortable booth dinette with storage underneath. We have adjustable lighting above the dinette as well as above the theater seating. Little ambiance lighting there. There's your seating there for the TV. Nice 50-inch TV. Storage space above. AM, FM, CD, DVD, Bluetooth, everything you need to rock and roll in this unit. Nice 5500 BTU fireplace. Take the chill off in the morning and the evening. Then for the kiddos, we have their own little hideaway. We have their closet space. We have the bunkhouse, and then the couch they can play video games on and make it into a bed in the evening. Plenty of storage space in here. Their own little hideaway where can they have their own privacy and mom and dad can keep their sanity. Check out the nice restroom. Nice big corner shower. Skylight above, give you a little headroom. Nice medicine cabinet. Storage space underneath the sink. Then we have a nice king-size bed for mom and dad. We have USB and 110 ports either side of the bed for charging your phone or tablet. We do have closet storage either side of the bed as well as above for extra blankets or pillows, as well as under bed storage. And of course we do have the capability of putting the TV in here so you can watch TV in the morning or late evening. This is a nice unit. Come check it out. 308-384-2040. Ask for Kevin. Have yourself a great day. Stay warm.